To index a Blogger post in Google Search Console, follow these steps. Set up Google Search Console. If you haven't already, set up Google Search Console. Sign in with your Google account and add your Blogger site. Since Blogger is hosted on blogspot.com, you can verify ownership by selecting URL prefix and adding your blog's URL. Verify ownership. Google will prompt you to verify ownership. Follow the instructions to complete the verification, which may involve adding a meta tag to your Blogger template or using other available methods like Google Analytics. Submit a new post to index. After your blog is verified, go to Search Console and click on URL Inspection in the left-hand menu. Enter the URL of the post you want to index. Click Enter to check the post status. If it's not indexed, you will see a message saying URL is not on Google. Click Request Indexing to ask Google to crawl and index the post. Monitor status. After requesting indexing, monitor the status in Search Console. It may take a few hours or days for Google to index the post.